Are you ready to take your presentation to the next level? Today, I'm going to show you how to edit an Adobe Illustrator file and seamlessly bring it into PowerPoint. Whether you want to add professional graphics or just make your slides stand out, this guide will make it easy. First, open your PowerPoint presentation where you want to add your Illustrator design. Make sure it's the right file so you don't accidentally overwrite anything. Next, go to the Insert tab in the toolbar. This is where you can add all kinds of content, images, videos, and more, but we're focusing on graphics. Click Pictures, then choose this device to browse your files. Now, because we're working with Illustrator files, we need to use a scalable vector graphic, or SVG. SVG files are perfect because they're vector-based, which means you can scale them without losing quality, and PowerPoint fully supports editing them. Once you've set the file type to SVG, locate your exported Illustrator file, select it, and click Insert. Your design will appear right on the slide. From here, you can resize, recolor, and adjust elements just like any native PowerPoint object. This flexibility gives you complete creative control to make your slides look exactly how you want. And that's it. In just a few steps, you've taken your Illustrator design and turned it into a fully editable, professional-looking PowerPoint graphic. Now, experiment, tweak, and make your presentation truly stand out.